Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve two different percentage problems on Abacus. Okay, let me start the first question. 6% of 78. First step, we need to choose the rods from where we need to start the multiplication process. Okay, in first question, see here, totally 3 numbers are there. 6 is one number, 7 is one number, 8 is one number. So totally 3 numbers are there, right? So from one start, we need to count 3 rods. Out of these 5 dots, this middle dot is 1 star. Okay, so count up to 3 dots from here. 1, 2, 3. So for normal multiplication, we need to start the multiplication process from this hundreds dot. But this is percentage problem, right? Percentage means 100. Percentage means 100. In hundreds, 2 zeros are there, right? At present, we are in hundreds dot. So from this dot, we need to shift 2 rods. 1, 2. Because 2 zeros are there in 100. So from one start, we need to start the multiplication process, okay? First step, we need to count the numbers. 3 numbers are there. So from one start, we need to count 3 rods. 1, 2, 3. And this is percentage problem. So percentage means 100. So after this rod, from 10 start, we need to shift 2 rods because of 2 zeros. So 1, 2. Now we are going to start the multiplication process from this rod, 1 rod, okay? So we need to multiply 6 into 78. First 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. So add 4 beads here and add 2 beads in next rod. 6 sevens are 42 is completed. Then from this rod, we need to start the next process, okay? Next number is 6 into 8. 6 eights are 48. Add 4 beads here and add 8 beads in next rod. First, we need to add 4 beads here. See, in lower beads, only 2 beads are available to add. Hence, direct addition is not possible here, right? Here, we can apply small friend formula for adding 4. Plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. 5 beads are available here. Hence, we can apply small friend, okay? Plus 5 minus 1 is the small friend formula for adding 4. Hence, 4 is added here and add 8 beads in next row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hence, 6 eights are 48 is completed. That's it. Sum is completed. Now, the answer is in ones place 4 beads are added. So, 4. After this one start, we need to put one decimal point. Okay. So, 4 point. Here 6 beads are added, right? So, 4.68 is the answer for this first question. Okay. Now, clear all the values. Next, we'll move on to second sum. 5% of 946. First step, we need to choose the rods, right? See, in second question, totally 4 numbers are there. 5 is one number, 9 is one number, 4 is one number, 6 is one number. So, totally 4 numbers are there, right? So, from ones place, we need to count 4 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is 4th rod, thousands rod, okay? So, now, if it is normal multiplication means we can start the multiplication process from thousands rod. But this is percentage problem. Percentage means 100. In hundreds, 2 zeros are there. So, we need to shift again 2 rods from this hundreds rod. Okay. Not in thousands rod. We need to shift from hundreds rod. So, 1, 2. From this rod, we need to start the multiplication process. Okay. So, 5 into 946. First step is 5 into 9. 5 nines are 45. So, add 4 beads here and add 5 beads in next rod. 5 nines are 45 is completed. 5 into 4. 5 fours are 20. Add 2 beads here and add 0 beads in next rod. 0 means you should not add anything here. Okay. So 5 fours are 20. 2 0 is completed. Then next process is we need to start from this rod. That is 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Add 3 beads here and add 0 beads in next rod. 0 means we should not add anything here. So 5 6 are 30. 3 0 is completed. Okay. So we need to calculate the answer up to this rod. Okay. So now the answer is here 4 beads are available and here 5 6 7. So 47. After one rod we need to put one dot. So 47.30. Okay. 47.30 is the answer for second sum. That's it. 2 sums are completed. And these 2 sums is for your practice. Kindly work out this problem using Abacus and comment me your answer, okay? Thank you.